Find the area under the standard normal distribution for the following values. Express your answer as a decimal rounded to 4 places. So 13 says between z is equal to 0.3 and z is equal to 2.1. So if we draw the picture, it's going to look something like this. So our lower bound is 0.3 and our upper bound is 2.1. So we want to type that into the normal CDF. So the area is 0.3642. 14 says between z is equal to negative 2.2 and z is equal to negative 0.3. So the picture would look something like this. So we want to type normal CDF negative 2.2 comma negative 0.3. So the area of the shaded region is 0.3682.